finally got the mini trampoline for my wife. For us, I can use it too. So now we're gonna assemble this mini trampoline. Heavy duty elastic. There. That's it. Manual, this is how it's gonna look like. These are probably the legs, the stand. And we got 3 of this. And ooh, this is elastic. I thought it's all spring. Okay, that's good. It's gonna go like this. We want the green on top. Okay, let's just look quickly on the user manual. So this is how it's gonna be. You got all this count 246, 246. We got this, it's red in here, but we got the green one. And then there should be a wrench. Okay. Oh, this is not a wrench, this is to pull. We got the elastic. There are lots of them. Let's see. 30 bungee cord, 1 puller, cover, 6 legs, and 1 frame. 3, which is what we're gonna connect. Connect the frame to make a circle. No need for screws. Okay. So this is where the legs would come, would be connected. This one here. So it's gonna go that way. How I know? Well, I just figured out. No need for screw. There. See? Go. Okay, now we have to push the last circle because the manual doesn't say how to push it. It just says push. Let me push it with all my might. Man, this is hard, so let me remove this. So I'm gonna do it one side first. This is kind of hard. I don't know if you can see it here. This one is a little bit hard to put in, so I'm gonna rotate. There you go. The problem is, when it's all connected, how can you rotate? There you go. So this one will have to go. And how can we rotate this? Right? No, doesn't say anything for the last one. Looks like the last one is really hard. This is hard. The last one. Oh, there. Oh, I just need to push this. I don't know if you've seen it. Like, push the pressure towards the center and then this will lock. I'm kneeling a lot, so I'm using this for my knee. There you go. Let's reverse this. So we just there you go. Let me just show you closer. See, and this one has a groove also. So we just, that's it. Should not be difficult. We'll see when we pull the trampoline. Just a few facts, and we look it up. The benefit of this, it improves your, according to the publication, lymphatic circulation, and well, it improves your immune system as well. And I guess the bouncing, you keep on bouncing, and it's gonna improve digestion and improve balance. Of course, you have to balance. It boosts your mood, gives you active energy. Okay, these are the bungee cord. So now we're gonna connect this. Again, the manual doesn't say how. So is this gonna be, yes. There's one on top and one below. So you're gonna go it around the ring and put it like this. Let's see, let's try one. And let me just look at the picture. Well, yeah, it's clean on top, so this must be at the bottom. Like that. Like what I did here. Let's do the other side. There. And this is where you start pulling. So as you can see, this one here, you can put this in the center. Like that. Let's try one. Close to the camera. Pull. Ooh. And then put it on the other side. There. Now what I'm gonna do is spread it like do 4 around so that it is already stretched to that point, and then I do the rest. Maybe the puller, we will use it later. Ooh, now. I don't want to be on the way of the elastic. I guess it's gonna get harder. Or maybe, why am I starting at the top? I should be starting at the bottom. There you go. And this is where the puller could help. Right? Wow. Wow. Okay. There. Wow, it's 4. It's tough. Did you see that? Now, we start at the bottom. I've been starting on top. From the top. You can start from the bottom. There. So that we can center it right away. And then this. Oh, by the way, this is rated 300 pounds. Now, because of the pressure, or it's being stretched, even the rim is, that's why you don't need a screw. It supports the rim by the mere pressure of the elastic bungee. See, it's all stretched on one side. That one. Somehow, the elastic should balance it. I don't want to be right on the target of the elastic. I'm not even using the puller. Giving some strength to install this. I haven't even used the puller because I kind of find it hard to pull with that thing. So I just use my hand, my thumb. Now, last one. Okay. So let us now try this mini trampoline, just like that. You'll see. First time doing a trampoline. So let's remove this. So it's level. Okay. I'm the one who installed it, so I know how the thingy. Is this really for 300 pounds, Mama?
350. Up to.
Okay. Do you see me jumping? Not gonna show my entire body. Can I somersault? There you go. It can carry me. My wife is lighter than me, way lighter. There we go. Mini trampoline. I thought it's a spring, but it's actually, maybe the spring is the more expensive one.
No, that's better.
So this one is the elastic. We ordered the spring. There are some elastic that are like kind of rotated, so it might have some impact on durability of the elastic. Yeah, like this. It's balanced. Okay, there you go. So just to mention, I've read again, it's good for your musculoskeletal system, meaning your muscles and your bone system.